the banana dessert that enchanted all my guests. To start our recipe, I will add 395 grams of condensed milk in a saucepan. Next, I will add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then I will stir very well to mix the ingredients. You can't imagine how incredibly delicious this recipe is. Next, I will add 200 grams of heavy cream. I will also add a tablespoon of vanilla essence. I will stir again until our recipe is well creamy. I have no doubt that this recipe will impress you. Now, I will pass our recipe to a container and then I will take it to the refrigerator for 2 hours. I'm sure you and your family will love this recipe. Do it at your house and then tell me what you think. Meanwhile, I will add 1 cup of sugar in another pan and stir until the sugar begins to caramelize. I have no doubt that this recipe will be part of your routine. It became one of my favorites since the first time I made it. As soon as I get to this point, I will add half a cup of water. I will add gradually so that our caramel becomes a syrup. You've never tasted a banana dessert as delicious as this one. Now, I will add 7 bananas cut into slices, and I will stir a little, then I will cover and cook for 10 minutes in our caramel syrup. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Elaine Dowd from Calgary. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. As soon as time passes, I will add our caramelized bananas to our container. Enjoy and tell me if you have any special recipe using bananas, condensed milk and heavy cream. I'll love to know. I will spread well so that the bananas cover all our recipe, and then I will take it back to the refrigerator for another 4 hours. Now our recipe is ready. Saw how we managed to make a delicious and easy dessert with few ingredients. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you this delicious dessert. She will be the highlight of that family Sunday lunch. Everyone asked me for the recipe for this dessert after tasting. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I see you in the next video. Bye.